I came to live in this house in the woods, to work on my music on my own. But somehow I feel it's a magical place, and somehow I feel I'm not alone. I was just Johnny till I walked through that door, but I'm not just Johnny anymore. I'm Johnny
And the Sprites.
Did you see one Johnny
And the Sprites.
Could you be one
Johnny and the Sprites.
Nobody else sees us, it's true.
There's only Johnny